My name is Zhang. I am the postdoc associate in Dr. Tretyakova's lab. I got my bachelor's in engineering in China and obtained my PhD in organic medicinal chemistry from University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee. And I joined Dr. Tretyakova's research lab after my graduation. I chose Dr. Tretyakova's lab because it is a well-rounded lab that with many opportunities to get training of the new techniques and grow new knowledge. So, for example, I can get a good training of many analytical instruments such as the LC-MS and HPLC. So my current research mainly focuses on studying the mutation potential of nucleotide incorporation on DNA strand in the presence of DNA peptide cross-link lesions. So DNA peptide cross-link lesions can be produced via the proteolytic cleavage of DNA protein cross-links, which can inhibit DNA replication and transcription. Our lab have found that these DNA peptide conjugates can be bypassed by several human translation and synthesis polymerases. This work can help us directly observe and analyze the nucleotide incorporation across the DNA peptide cross-links, and it gives us a deeper understanding in the mutagenic incorporation across DNA lesions. This work takes me to a new field of research, inspires me to do more work in the combined field of nucleic acid and protein. We have a well-equipped laboratory with smart colleagues who study different projects. The research environment in our lab is always positive, so we always communicate with each other very often and discuss our work. All of us are very willing to help others to find the solution to fix the problems in their work. As a postdoc, we need to have a much higher motivation to find the ways to fix our problems. Not like when we are students that we still rely on somebody else like our professor to help us fix the problem. As a postdoc, we need to think more deeply and have multiple solutions to fix the problem that we meet during the research. My future plans is finding a faculty position in campus and continue doing research in nucleic acid and protein. I want to be a professor in the future. So I think the reason I want to be a professor first is really affected by my family because my father is a chemistry professor and I grew up in campus in China. So since I was young, I went to my father's laboratory very often, and I'm very interested in the research atmosphere in the lab. So I think this is one of the important reasons that I would like to be a professor in the future. And also, being a professor, I would like to have more flexibility to do the things that I'm really interested in. The interdisciplinary research environment in our lab can facilitate my research progress and gives me an easier and faster way to find a solution to fix the problem in my work. And we have a lot of opportunities to communicate with people that work in different areas. I think this is a good way to obtain some new ideas in the research. The University of Minnesota Twin City has a large campus with abundant offline and online resources. I really like the departments organize a lot of seminars that give us a lot of opportunities to communicate with people outside our lab, and so in that way we can get more ideas, more new concepts about our research. The research in our lab includes many different areas, such as the organic synthesis, bioculture, and proteomic analysis. We have a lot of cooperation with many other research groups, either from the departments in our campus or from other research universities and institutes. We have a lot of social connections with other research groups, which can be a good opportunities for the job search in the future. I believe that who join our group will find an interesting research topic and will have a great training and development for the future career.